The project title is Tictactoe. In this project we use min-max algorithm to create the game. These are the list of functions used to create this project. Player function to return whose turn is next. Action function to return set of all possible actions for any particular state except terminal state. Result function to return the updated state of the board when board in action is given as input. Terminal function to return whether the game is completed or not. Utility function to return 1 for X win, -1 for O win and 0 for nobody win. Finally, min-max function to return the optimal move of the board. Let's play the game.